Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious vegan tzatziki sauce. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients, then move on to preparing the cucumber to ensure a perfect texture. Finally, I'll guide you through combining everything for a creamy, flavorful dip that's ready in just a few minutes. This recipe is incredibly versatile and perfect for any meal or snack. For our vegan tzatziki, you'll need one large English cucumber, roughly 10 to 12 inches long. The star of our base is 1.5 cups of thick, unsweetened plant-based yogurt, such as soy or almond. Don't forget 2 cloves of fresh garlic, finely minced, and 2 tablespoons of fresh dill, chopped. A tablespoon of fresh lemon juice and a tablespoon of good quality olive oil will complete our flavor profile. The secret to a perfect tzatziki is in the cucumber preparation. First, grate your large English cucumber using the coarse side of a box grater. Next, and this is very important, squeeze out as much excess water as possible from the grated cucumber. You can use a clean kitchen towel or paper towels for this. This step ensures your tzatziki remains wonderfully thick and creamy, not watery. Now for the final step. In a medium bowl, combine your well-drained cucumber with 1.5 cups of plant-based yogurt. Stir in the 2 minced garlic cloves and 2 tablespoons of fresh dill. Add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Season with about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper. Mix everything well and chill for at least 30 minutes before serving. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.